Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in today's edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, August the 21st, 2021. We have here two Sudokus left, or puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. Tomorrow I will do the other 3 puzzles. Tectonic with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, and a letter Sudoku. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 3277. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but for a 4 stars Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more. Well, we will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? The single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. There also a single box, so let me put the 1 in the single boxes. The dual boxes, can you see that here, the dual boxes? See here a dual box. I do not know. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have here triple box? I think we don't have triple box, but also no quadra boxes with 4 boxes. No. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes or constructions or figures or structures, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape. Let me draw this, the T shape. Remember the T shape. No, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 4. Alright. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then other shape, for example this shape, the L shape upside down. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as this box. Oh, I draw this wrong. This box. So it's not that back box, but this box. Okay, draw this wrong. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, this shape. Alright, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Then it's easy to fill the numbers. In this puzzle we have 3 of them, but there are more. There are more. Not in this puzzle, but there are other more shapes or figures that you need to recognize But in this puzzle there are 3 of them. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. The next stage. Alright, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L shape should be here. So 2 numbers left in this L shape area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 3. Alright. And then let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So now we have a pair, 1 and a 2. Here, alright. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright, now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. Alright. Alright, this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so it should be also a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Here also a double 5, so this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and the 2. 2 and a 4. Alright, 2 and a 4. Okay. These three boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 5 and a 1. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. One box left in this area for the number 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes in a duo box. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and a 5. Alright. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Well, these three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5. We see here a 1. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. These three boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 2 here. This box can also not be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. One box left in this area for the number 1. These two boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these two boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2. So the 1 and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in that box. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Finished in 40 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great puzzle. Tectonic. But is this really a 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 14 minutes. So it's not a 4 stars. It's not a 3 stars. It's not a 2 stars. It's a 1 star. Because for 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I've solved this in 14 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third and last puzzle of today. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.